Now it's time to take a look at the best list hosting services. So why do you need a list hosting service? Well, we've been talking about how important it is to build your own mailing list, but you actually need to have a service that will collect your email and subscriber information so it can be stored somewhere safely and also send out mailings to everyone. Mailing list providers also allow you to build professional newsletters with ease because many of them have their own custom-built newsletter solutions. Whether you want to send out text, HTML, or build something on their custom backend, many of them already have that in place. And another reason why a mailing list provider is so important is because they can automate your marketing through the use of autoresponders. And instead of having to go in and send out a mailing every time you want to contact your list, instead you can actually create an autoresponder that'll send out on a given sequence every time someone signs up. So this means people can sign up 1,000 times and all of them are going to get the same sequence of emails no matter what day they sign up for. So now we're going to take a look at some of the different providers out there and I'll tell you some of the benefits of each. So the first one on the list is Aweber, and this is pretty much the biggest and most trusted name when it comes to list building and hosting solutions. And I've been with Aweber for years now, well over 5 years. And the great thing about Aweber is that it only costs $1 to get started. So your first month is $1. The next month you'll be paying $19 or more based on how many people you have on your list. And we can go to the pricing section and actually see how they break it down. So as you can see, it's only $1 for your first month and then $19 for every month after that. Up to 500 subscribers, you can send unlimited emails and you also have the 30-day money-back guarantee. And if we scroll down, we can see the different pricing. So as your list increases in size, so will your monthly cost. But as your list grows in size, you'll be making that much more money because you will have the ability to send out to so many more people. So Aweber is one of the top companies out there for list management and hosting, and I've been using them forever, and I'm actually using them in all the videos for this course. So if you want to make it easier for you to follow through the processes, I recommend Aweber as well. Another trusted name and big brand in this space is MailChimp, and all the services are pretty much the same. They all just vary on the back end when you're really working in there, but for the most part the features and pricing is relatively the same. We can go to the pricing on this one and they break it down by entrepreneur, growing business, basically the size of your list. So you can actually see that it's free to get started with an account and then you can upgrade for $10 a month to do different things, and depending on your list size it's going to go more money. And the last one to look at is GetResponse, another great company. I use them as well. I've actually signed up to all three of them and tested and see which one I like. And I'm just used to Aweber the most, so that's why I choose to go with them. And GetResponse, it's pretty much the same thing as the others. You get to try it for free for 30 days. You don't need to use a credit card. And they also have a billing structure, same as the others, where the more subscribers you have, the more you would pay. But until you hit those levels, you're not going to have to pay those high amounts. So if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you're at $15 a month. Once you hit over 2,500 subscribers, then you're moved to the $25 a month, and so on. So I actually have a chart that will show you this breakdown and a few other comparisons, so we'll look at that now as well. And here we have the comparison chart between the three, Aweber, MailChimp, and GetResponse. The starting price for each, Aweber is $19 a month, but your first month is only going to cost you $1. And then you have MailChimp. The starting price is $10, but it's free as long as you don't go over 2,000 subscribers. And GetResponse is $15 a month, but they also offer a free trial while topping you off at 250 max subscribers. All three of these list hosting companies also offer autoresponders, and that's what we cover in most of these videos. So as long as you sign up to any of these three, you'll be good to go. And when it comes to support, I would have to say that Aweber has the best support, although them and GetResponse all offer phone, chat, and email support. And MailChimp really only offers email support, but I'm sure you can get in touch with them if you need to. But for best support, if it ever becomes an issue, I personally like Aweber as well. As mentioned earlier, Aweber is my best option, and all the training videos in this course will be through Aweber. So check out all three of them, see which one you like best, and once you sign up with them, you'll have about a month or so to really test it out. And until you pass really 500 or 1,000 subscribers, you're not going to see a big increase in your pricing. But it might seem like a big cost now for anyone who's just starting out, but when you have 500 to 1,000 subscribers that you could email messages to at any time, you're going to be making a lot more money than what's going to cost to have your list in the first place.